Hi, today we're going to talk about how you can start your business with minimal tools. So, you want to start an online business, you know there's software to be used, but what do you really need to get started? We're going to talk about those tools. Right here, I have some examples, but before I give you examples, I want to just let you know the category. You need a business ecosystem, which is where you do everything. You have emails, you have um, storage, you have scheduling, you have all those things. You need one of those. You need some way to market or create marketing assets, and you need a way to get paid. And remember when I said that business ecosystem, that's where you're going to do your deliverables as well. So, what did I say? I said a business ecosystem that can include the way you do your deliverables, a way to get paid, and a place for your marketing, creating your marketing assets, building those out. And of course, you're going to build some accounts, maybe for social. Depends on how you want to market. So let's talk about your business ecosystem first. Your business ecosystem is what you call your hub. Everything happens in your business in that hub and it lives there. I consider Microsoft Office or Google Workspace to be business hubs because they have so many tools in one place. You won't have to have a separate login, separate access, separate payment. Well, for some of the tools, maybe. But you can run everything through your business in those hubs, and it's just a matter of you choosing Microsoft Office or Google Workspace. I'm going to make another video about how to choose which one of those, but back to the video. Your workspace or hub is going to be the place where everything lives. I'm going to show you an example. In Google Workspace, this is the email. You have this access to all these other tools over here. Google Drive is really important. Google Docs, Sheets, all those. Calendar, huge, very important because this will help you be productive. This is going to help you really run your day, run your projects, everything. And you see my little rainbow stuff here. But this is going to be super important for you because you'll be able to use the what? Scheduler. You probably heard of all these other schedulers that are separate items, and some are free, some are paid. You've got one included over here. Use the one that you already have. Make your appointment scheduler. Clients will book appointments through you, and it will use your availability. So, no more of that back and forth stuff. The next thing is, of course, your communications. You have your email correspondence, you have your labels, your tags. But the most important of your hub, business hub, is going to be the drive because here you will have all your resources where you work with your clients. Maybe you're a coach and you'll have a folder for your clients and their work and their documents. You have your own things, your business development, you'll have your productivity things, resources, whatever. This can all live in one space as well as your storage. Having a digital space for your business, you're going to need storage, and you can have that here in your business hub. Next thing you're going to need, how to get paid. I prefer Stripe. Lots of people use PayPal. I no. But there are other resources. I recommend you get somebody that's established, minimal lawsuits, and you've used them before. I'm not a fan of some of the other options. I'm not going to name names. This is the old tried and true Stripe, Wave. You know where I'm going with that. At the beginning, you can do those, and they all have service fees. You can pay the service fee, and it's just the cost of doing business. Or you can try and slide it off on your clients, or try to do something with no fees. That's another conversation I'm not going to get into. Next, your marketing assets. How are you going to create your marketing assets and how will you present them? Using Canva, the tools are simpler, but the other thing about it is if you create social accounts, you can actually use Canva and link to those through there. So if you don't want to be doing something separate, you don't want to have to separately log in, you can create whatever your tool is and go there and log into it. I don't do that. But a lot of people at the very start, they just want to, hey, I just created this. Let me just send it over to my profile and post it right away. So they've got capability for that. And see how few tools you need to get started. The whole point of this is so that you don't hesitate getting started with starting your business. You can be productive and efficient by using what you have in one entire hub system. And if you want more videos on how to maximize using Google Workspace or maximize Office for running your business, I can make those. Just comment below. But I love the calendar. You can color code. You can do so many things with the Google Calendar. Drive is where I live. All of my folders, these things are so important in your business. You're going to live in here. But again, how many tools is this? 4 versus 24. Because you won't need this stuff at the very beginning. Sure, all those other tools are fancy and nice and they'll do lots of things, but that's one more thing you have to keep up with. One more thing you have to keep track of logging into, cleaning up, organizing, when you can just start here with your business ecosystem, your way to get paid, and a way to create marketing assets and post them. If this was helpful, please consider liking or subscribing or even comment below. Thanks.